Hi guys, I'm so excited to share the full box of the month with you today. Our new release goes live July 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So head on over to not2shabbyshop.com on July 1st to check out all the new goodies. If you enjoy fairy tales, I know you're going to love this month's release. So let's dive in. There'll be a brand new pack of A2 card fronts. This is called Storybook Royalty. You'll get a sampling of 6 panels in your box of the month. The full pack is available on the website starting July 1st. You'll get some sentiments on the back, and you can use your Teresa's one and done die to trim those out to get beautifully stitched banners. We've got great sentiments here. A little magic goes a long way. Happily ever after begins today. Believe in your own fairy tale. Stay kind, stay brave, stay royal. Crowned with strength and kindness, a princess shines from within. Elegance is her power. Sparkle like a story untold. Bloom where your story begins. Write your own happily ever after. And forever starts with you. So the card fronts are one-sided. You get 2 of each design. Super cute. They make great quick cards. They make fabulous cards in a flash. They would make some great mini album covers or pages, junk journal pages, dividers in a planner. Just so many ideas to use these. So I'll flip through these quickly. You will get 6 of these in the box of the month. You will get the full pack in the junior box of the month. I did share the junior box yesterday, so if you missed that video, head on over to the channel, check out yesterday's reveal. We do have spots open for our junior box starting July 1st. I shared the junior products yesterday, so this beautiful 6x6 mermaid magic stamp sets. So cute. This will also be in your large box of the month. The Mermaid Dreams paper pad. Our paper and ephemera will be listed individually starting July 1st. I created these 2 cards using those collections. So how cute is this? I had a ball coloring in the image and I love it. This is an exclusive sketch that my channel members received. If you are interested in joining the channel membership, you could click that join button down below and read about that. This one's super cute with the ephemera and the paper pad. I did use a sketch I will be sending out in the July newsletter. So if you're not part of my newsletter, the link to join is in the description box. So today we're going to share the Enchanted Wishes collection. In your box of the month, you'll get this large 6x8 stamp set. It's called Once Upon a Time. So beautiful. I love these storybook images. So you get 3 little scenes. We have some accent stamps, a little basket of apples, a bird, there's a little flower, there's a solid heart. We have an apple that's bitten and a few more solid hearts there, and a full flower. We have some really nice large sentiments that can act as a focal point on your card. Every fairy tale starts with a story. Stay sweet, be kind, and you're the fairest of them all. You're surrounded by love. And then we have some other sentiments. Another magical chapter begins. Once upon a time. And hello, sweet friend. So I absolutely love that stamp set. Let's take a look at the Enchanted Wishes paper pad. You get 4 of each design. They are double-sided. So you get this really gorgeous blue for a background and your red apples. We've got the looking glass mirror. We have a nice yellow pattern. some roses with the apple. And then this one's just full of apples. Nice red glitter. This is a really pretty pattern. Just a really beautiful pattern. Love that. Your bluebirds. Got some bows. Really beautiful pattern there. Some little apples. And then this gorgeous blue and glitter. And then very magical pattern there with vining leaves in gold. Let's take a look at the ephemera pieces. Okay, let me play a little music while I lay this all out for you.
The paper colors, sweet designs, stamps and dies, they all combine. Mix and match, have some fun. A handmade card for everyone. Feeling stuck, no need to fear. Inspiration's always here. Join a challenge, play along. Crafty friends make us strong. Not too shabby.
Okay, so there's all the ephemera. Meet me on the 1st at 10 a.m. Central Time for a release day party. I'll be crafting with the new release. We'll do some fun giveaways. Come hang out and chat. I'd love for you to join us. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys on the 1st. Meet me back tomorrow for the Paper Pad Club of the month reveal. I can't wait to share what's coming. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you then. Bye, guys.